Another cat try. I have to say, when I started this book, I was thinking, wow, what if I get really better at painting cats as the time goes by, like after I do 10 or 20 of them, and then the end of the book has like higher quality artwork than the beginning of the book. That would look silly, but not at all the problem. In fact, I think the opposite is true. They're getting worse and worse. Anyway, this one was going very challenging, and but I can't be tearing pages out of the book or gluing on new pictures, so just try to make it as good as possible, even though it's kind of bad. Here I decided, let me put the fine details in with an ink pen because, I don't know, get more contrast and control. And so did my best to make the cat half decent. Then onto the background, went with a cloudy sky first and, very light colors just to put something in there, and then decided we're going to do a H for heart, and so pop in an H there and throw in the heart, and we like to have a couple other interesting things in there, so I put a couple of cubes plus a smile face and a little lawn area, and that's it.